To show your information on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap contact information and then enter the information about yourself that you want to show on your lock screen, such as your phone number or email address. As the example, we will enter the email address. So in case your phone is lost, the one who find your phone can see your email address without they have to unlock the phone and use it to contact you. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, now your phone is displaying the email address that you have entered before on the lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.